let's talk about mining for a second.
Yeah, I asked Jacob to kind of present on what he's been working on at the Crypto Cottage. This is going to be more detailed than the average report on mining. But Jacob, I'm going to give the floor to you if you're ready to go.
I am mining at the Crypto Cottage. I've got 10 L3 pluses, 4 S9s, 3 GPU rigs, and then there's Nancy at the office. In the top left corner, you're looking at the mining rig daily revenue. The L3 pluses bring about $1.51 in. The S9s bring around roughly $4, and the GPU rigs bring in $8, and Nancy's around $2.50. I gave you a status options. So the L3 pluses are off right now because they are unprofitable at the moment.
So Jacob, what coin is that that's unprofitable right now with those machines?
So the L3 pluses mine Litecoin, which is the script algorithm. So they're unprofitable right now. I personally believe because there's new hardware out, and so now the L3 pluses are second generation, so they're not generating enough hash power per watts to make it profitable.
Until the price, the price is going to have to go like how much on Litecoin? From where is it 94 today?
Yeah, it's gonna have to be another like bull run in order for it's gonna be around like $125 before it gets profitable again.
Okay, well I can envision a scenario where that comes to fruition in the near term. It's for the best. It's been a heat wave in Indianapolis and around the Midwest. So these having 10 of these ASICs turned off is not the end of the world for the temperatures in the cottage.
Mm-hmm. And then below is the mining rig daily expenses, just hashing out the numbers. And then at the bottom is the revenue per day. We're bringing in $42 per day, $1,300 per month, and expenses around $600 per month. And the net income is $680 per month. And then I gave you supporting screenshots from what to mine. And now let's go to the mining rig results. So I'm mining on NiceHash. So basically NiceHash is, I'm selling my computing power, my mining power to buyers, and they pay Sarson Funds in Bitcoin. So we started the mining operation. It got going July 1st, and it's been going steady for about a month now. And I break out all the payments in the top left corner, and the right is the visual representation of how much we mine daily. That steep drop off is the L3 pluses going offline, and then to the right, the ending graph is just the S9s and the GPU mining rigs that are running. And then so our wallet total, we've earned approximately 9.5 million Satoshis, and our wallet balance in USD is $939.
Nice, some beer money. Jacob, I didn't ask you to do this ahead of time, so take a moment if you want, but could you give like a grade to the mining environment right now for miners? Like if 2007 November was like an A or 10, whatever scale you want to use, like how do you grade or rank today's environment for mining profitability for people?
GPU mining got a lot better. I would say it's about a 4 right now.
A 4 for GPU mining, and maybe and then the ASIC mining. Would you say it's like a 4?
ASIC mining isn't looking too good right now because there's new hardware coming out. So the old hardware that I've got is going to get pushed out gradually. So
yeah, we've got two parties trying to sell us miners that aren't profitable. Thanks for saving us from buying those, Jacob.
Yeah.
Can I weigh in as a bit of a contrarian on this? It's nice that these are making a profit, and I kind of make that important distinction that it's nice that they're making a profit because we're not able to really scale this to the point that it really would make sense, right? So what are we talking to profit here? 5,000-10,000 bucks like a year? Great, cool. It's there, but the amount of effort that's put into it, is that really, you know, such a great return in it? Mm-hmm. But the part that I feel is nice about it is it keeps our finger on the pulse of what's going on in the mining world. And as a fund to be able to kind of say, oh, well, here's the mining side of it, you know, this is a key component. When someone then looks through the numbers, it's not, right? It's not a significant source of it. But to kind of explain this as, well, this is what keeps our finger on the pulse, and we see what's going on here. We know, you know, and it kind of, we know what it is to sell some of the hashing power. We know what it is to mine directly. I think that helps with the story. To kind of go, yes, we're going to do this. We can do this. I mean, Christoph, myself, and Eric, we did do this. We did this on a larger scale, you know, right? And literally, you know, one of the things on top of the price coming down is we got hit by lightning, and lightning took out a third of them, right? And this is now, we're talking about the profitability numbers on these machines, giving it zero cost, right? So now you're saying that, Jacob, it's good that you said no to buying some of these other miners. If you guys really wanted to buy something, I told you, I think, you know, Christoph was going through the last vestige of what we have remaining there, but you know, it's not exactly the greatest pure investment play, especially considering the headache and the uncertainty and the risk of something like a lightning strike or of the price dropping by 50%. But I do think it helps shape our story.
I agree with you 100%. You know, I try to dissuade people all the time from investing in mining operations. Why do all that CapEx? I don't get it. And all of the you know, labor. But we do this for the exact reason that you mentioned. This keeps our skills sharp, helps us understand miners, and make sure that, you know, we know every facet of things that can affect the price of cryptocurrencies. But yeah,
Okay.
I agree with you 100%.
Yeah, that's a great overview, Jacob, and some excellent insight there, TZ1000. And John's exactly right. You know, our core operation is obviously not mining, but our core operation is cryptocurrency and digital assets. So we do want to make sure that we have a tooth to tail understanding of what our specialty is, and mining is a critical component of that. So it's an important factor of our business to keep this research and development wing going on. And Jacob, this is a fantastic job, and everyone else I thought had some really sharp insights.